Hey folks, welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
So, I did a little order.
Yeah, I can see that.
I got some stuff.
Yeah.
I ordered some Tiny Turners.
Did you get them from Toonpish by any chance?
I did. I went to Toonpish this time because you got them direct from Tiny Turner last time, didn't you?
Yeah, the reason I got them from direct last time was because they were... So she does the full set.
Yeah, she did different things, but I specifically wanted this particular set, and I wanted, so it's the Ethereal Tiny Turners. So I got the set of 6.
Yeah.
And I got the Dark Matter as well, because Dark Matter's not in the set.
No, because it's not an Ethereal one, is it?
It is.
Is it?
Yeah. So.
Why is it not in the set?
I don't know. I don't know these things.
Why not?
Because I just don't know. Anyway, my first impression was that they are so beautifully packed.
I think you've actually kept the packaging. You can actually put it as an inlay.
I actually kept the packaging and said, I'm going to do something with that. I'm going to put it in some resin.
Yeah.
Because it's just gorgeous.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I was very impressed. And because I got it from Toonpish, I got a free little inlay, which I can't remember.
Was it the butterflies or something?
I think it's like a flower and some butterflies on it.
Okay.
So there it is. I haven't used that yet. I'm waiting for the right project.
Okay.
And I don't know where I've put it. If I'm honest.
Shocker.
I've put it somewhere safe. It's in a safe place. And once I locate it, I will do something with it. But
okay. Watch out for that. 6 months' time.
If you're lucky. And what I thought I would do is, because with ethereal colours, the powders look very, not similar, but similar.
Not similar, but similar. Yeah. Oh, I'm glad you cleared that up.
They are quite, like if you hold up that one, you can see it's got like a blue shimmer. And then if you hold up Dark Matter, that's also got a blue shimmer.
Yeah, they both look similar, but they don't look similar either.
They are similar, but the colour shift is slightly different.
Uh-huh.
So what I thought I was going to do was do a colour tester.
Okay.
And I thought, well, I may as well film it and put it out as a quickie for everybody.
Yeah.
In case they're thinking, should I get the ethereals?
Yeah.
And then I thought what I would do is I would do a black back and a white back, because as I've said in previous videos, depending on what backing you put on depends on the
shimmer,
the vibrance of the colour.
The vibrance?
The vibrance. Doesn't that sound really posh?
It does. It almost sounds like you know what you're talking about as well.
Yeah, a little bit.
Almost.
Yeah, not quite. So all I've done is I have taken each and every colour and I've brushed them into this Cabochon mould.
Yeah.
Which, if anybody's wondering, is the small Cabochon mould from Little Windows. I love this mould.
Yeah.
I love it. However, they're foreshadowing. There's a little bit of a disappointment coming.
Is that?
Yes. Yes, there is. So it's just standard black back, white back, nothing fancy.
That's the Vista Vista back?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it is. We're getting quite short of that, actually. I need to get some more.
Okay.
Just letting you know.
Yeah.
So that's the 6 black. And then
I thought it was 7.
7. I was testing your powers of observation there.
You were testing my powers of observation?
Yes. Yes, I was. And I'm glad to say you were very successful. You have passed. Well done.
Well, so one of us needs to be observant. You can't find stuff that's actually sat behind you.
Listen, you just need to get the wibbly wobbly eyes. You need to let them go.
No.
But if it helps, I have lost them again.
Oh. Have you checked behind you?
I have checked behind me. It was the first place I looked. But I don't know. I've put them safe, and I'm pretty sure I told you where I was putting them, and I can't remember. So
did you not write them down?
I didn't. I intended to, but then I thought I'll just tell you instead.
I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am going to create you a folder on our server.
Yeah.
And what you're going to do is when you put something away nice and safe, you're going to take a photo of it.
Okay, right.
And then label it.
Look, I completely missed what colour this is now.
It's Aurora.
Well, I'm glad that we've cleared that up. So this is Aurora with a black background.
Yeah.
And it shimmers kind of blue, purple.
I quite like that. That's quite nice.
It is. They are just absolutely stunning. But when they're with a white background, it's so subtle.
It's like
and you get
ethereal.
I think you get more of a sort of a green kind of colour. I feel the green comes through a lot more when it's got a white background. I think anyway. And this one is Eclipse.
Yeah.
Which is a beautiful blue.
What's it shimmer to?
Well, I think it's different colour, different shades of blue. It doesn't sort of shimmer.
I can't see. So you're showing the white ones, but I can't really see the shimmer on there. It looks like a white.
Can you not? It has got a blue shimmer to it, but they are really subtle
on camera.
Anyway, the next one is Galaxy. And Galaxy is it's like a pink, a goldish colour. That's probably and a bit purple.
Yeah,
pink.
I was going to say it looks more purple there.
Pink, purple, gold.
I don't
depending
think
on what you're
the
looking at.
camera is actually doing it justice.
I really don't think that my camera does it justice, but the colours are stunning. It's definitely not doing it justice on the white, because the white I think is absolutely beautiful. It's a really nice subtle shimmer, which I actually really like. This one, I'm pretty sure that one is Nebula, and that is a pink gold, bit of sort of like a hint of silver almost in there.
Yeah,
I think. And again, the green has got that beautiful pink shimmer. And then this is Starlight. Now, Starlight is...
That's more like a goldy yellow.
It's a goldy yellow.
Yeah.
It is literally goldy yellow Starlight colour. Beautiful.
To be fair, they're all quite pretty.
They're all just stunning.
I'm preferring the black background at the minute, just because you can actually see that on camera they are a lot more.
Yeah, I think
visible.
I think it kind of depends almost what you're doing. Now that one is Supernova, which is very similar to Starlight, but it's a lot more orange red.
Yeah,
it's just it's a more vibrant sort of orange red. They're beautiful. And then last but not least is Dark Matter, and that is a blue, black, blue. Now there was something on my mould. I don't know what it is, but it transferred across to the actual.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, the test piece. And I thought, I'm not mixing up like 2 mils of resin because
no, that's fair.
I'm just not. But you get the gist. So those are the Tiny Turners. And I don't know if this has been useful to anybody, but I certainly find it useful.
Well, I mean,
to go through and see the differences.
You can always put those on a board, and then if you want something, you can get a look at them.
That's what they were for.
Oh, okay.
So, if you found this useful, please do feel free to hit the like button.
Yeah. And while you're down there above the comments, click subscribe.
If you would like to. If you've enjoyed our chaos.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. Bye for now.
Bye.